2, 1.
Hello, my name is Bob Kline. I'm an academic advisor here at Bowling Green State University. I work for the College of Arts and Sciences. A lot of changes going on here at BGSU over the last couple of weeks as a result of COVID-19. I've received a lot of emails from students anxious and worried about how things will go, so I just wanted to have a little chat with folks. First piece of advice is we're all going to get through this. We're all in this together. Stay calm. I want you to think for a second. When was the last time in your life that panicking paid off? When was panicking a good option? Probably never. So let's remain calm. We're all in this together and we'll all get through this. Second is this is kind of a day-by-day thing, so be flexible. This is often tough because many of you like to prepare for assignments, projects, and things like that. And it's going to be tough to do in this environment. So think, what do I need to do today? What do I need to accomplish today? Focus on sort of the short term at this time, maybe a couple of days out. Things will change, so be flexible. It's a great life lesson that you'll be able to learn during this time. And the third thing is to look for opportunities to help others. Many of you give back to the Bowling Green and BGSU community, and that is awesome. And I thank you for your work in the past in doing that. But now is the time we can contribute to the public good as well. And that can be through a number of different ways. Something as simple as reaching out to your friends on social media or texting them when they post that they're anxious or worried or concerned and providing that calming voice. Together we can get through this. Have a great day and go Falcons.